In this video, we will show you how to disable Server Manager Auto Start when the computer is turned on. When you are using Windows Server, the Server Manager usually will auto start when you turn on your server. Actually, you can disable Server Manager to auto start when the computer is turned on to prevent your computer start up slowly. In here, to disable auto start on Server Manager, if you're using Windows Server, just click Manage in here. After that, select Server Manager Properties. In here, you can tick Do not start Server Manager automatically at logon. Then you can click OK. After that, your Server Manager application will not open when your computer is turned on. Then, when you need to open Server Manager, you can just open the Server Manager manually by clicking in your Windows and select Server Manager. So, your computer, when starting open and showing desktop, not slowly, like when Server Manager is auto start. And that's all tutorial how to disable auto start on Server Manager when your server is turned on. Okay, once again in Server Manager and Server Manager Properties, and please tick like this. Hope this video helpful for you.